Gearbox port as it moves east.
Yay.
Please stand by for a message from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lloyd County, northern Georgetown County, southeastern Marion County, southern Columbus County, until 4 p.m. At 2:57 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from PP Crossroads to 8 miles west of Tomkala and moving east at 5 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to PP Crossroads, Morty, Homewood. More dangerous thunderstorms may develop and affect other communities in the warned area. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9